Hello friends, welcome back. I am Agam and you are in my channel Agam's Tech Tricks. Today I'll show you how to install Ubuntu 21.10 which was just released recently on KVM or Kmu, which is the virtualization software in Linux, and KVM uses the host modules which speeds up the VM a lot, and today I'll teach you that. And this is not VMware, this is Kmu. It is something else and it uses all the host modules and it's very fast than the normal VMware. So let's start. For that, first of all we have to install KVM and Kmu and Virt Manager. What is that? That is a GUI tool, graphic user interface, for managing all the virtual machines, etc. So like we can easily create virtual machines. I'll use that only in this tutorial. So first we have to open a terminal, whichever you use, and I'll give you some commands here. You have to just copy. I'll give it in the description and you have to paste. I already have it installed currently, but I'll still show you what to do. So here, like, you run this command and now it's saying all these are reinstalling. So first of all, like, if it will show you some conflicts like GNU netcat and OpenBSD netcat, etc., and some IP tables also it showed me last time. So just like yes, like I did it twice or thrice, like in my other laptop also, and it didn't show any error afterwards. Yes, and I am on Arch Linux for now, and this tutorial is for Arch Linux only, but otherwise all the steps are same. So I'll just give you the command for other distros also, like if you want to do it on Fedora or Ubuntu itself, and this won't happen on Windows or Mac. This is only for Linux. So I'll give you commands for other distros also, but currently I'm on Arch Linux, so I'll go with this one. We have to do some extra steps in Arch Linux, otherwise it's just very simple in other. So I'll continue installing. It will take some time. Then we have to for Arch Linux only, we have to just first of all enable the service, this one, and here it showed no error, like no output means it showed no error and executed successfully. Now we have to do that without the root user. We can use this virtual machine manager and Kmu in fact. So like by default only root users can do that, but for example currently this is the normal user and this is the root user, like here. So like this. So currently it will only work with root, but we'll have to run it with the normal user. So what we have to do, just copy paste these commands. I'll tell you everything, like for the other distros also in the description, and we have to just go below and change Unix sock group and just uncomment this one, and the libvirt name will be default. Just we have to like check if it is not, otherwise we'll change it. So I am using nano editor for quickly, like, and here I will search Unix sock group. Here it's uncommented because I showed you, like I told you that I have installed by default. So it is just uncommented for now, and if it is like mostly it is commented by default, so you have to just, like, it is will be like this, you have to just remove this hashtag and it will be uncommented. Then you have to also uncomment this option Unix sock rw perms, and just the permission as default should be 0770, otherwise it's the default only. We have to just uncomment these two. I'll show Unix sock rw. Here it's again uncommented because I told you just now, by default it will be like this, but you have to just remove this hashtag and then save it, Ctrl+S for nano, and then exit, Ctrl+X. So here it's now done, and we have to now add the user to libvirt this, and you have to not change your username etc, cause $user itself just adds the current user. Like whenever we do this, it will output my current user like this. So you have to just copy this and paste it there. And okay, it's done now. Now what we have to do is just go to the virtual machine manager and set up everything. I'll now tell you that. So I'll close this. Then going to my just type vert here, and here you can see virtual machine manager. Clicking this, then we have to then click create a new virtual machine. Just click this. Now this is very easy, just like setting up on VMware, so don't think like it's on Linux or it's QEMU etc. and it will be that difficult. It's not that difficult. Then we will go forward and we have to click browse and click browse local, and wherever we have downloaded the ISO file. Okay, one more thing, like I'll also give you the ISO file link. This is the URL, and we have to just click this 21.10. This is like just released 3 to 4 days before, like it was on October 14 or 15. So we have to just click download and it start downloading, and I have already downloaded, so I won't do it obviously. Browse and then browse local, and here our ISO file isn't downloaded, so just click this. And here it will show operating system you are installing is none detected, because currently this operating system isn't feeded in virtual machine manager. So we'll just put Ubuntu 21.04 for now. This, just make sure to uncomment this and then select this one. You'll type and obviously it will show. Then forward. Then this I'll keep as default. I have currently 6 GB RAM, so I'll keep this, or you can change it as you wish. Then here is the disk space, like whatever, like we have 256 GB SSD and we install LinOS on that, so it's like this much disk space will be there for our Ubuntu in our virtual machine. So I'll keep it 40 for now, and then forward, and then I'll just change its name to Ubuntu. And then we have to click customize configuration before install, and then click finish. And then it will now say virtual network is not active. If it says, just click yes. Now it will show this. Now what we have to do is disable BIOS and turn on UEFI for everything, like UEFI is better than BIOS. So we have to just click there, and we have to click ovmf_code.fd. And like if you don't see this ovmf_code option, so what you have to do is just install this package. So just open your terminal and run. I'll give you this in description. edk2 minus hyphen ovmf. This must be, yes. Psst. I'll have to run again. VMF, and then just install this one package, like it's currently installed for me, and then just exit. And then after that, like you can change whatever, just click yes and change whatever you want, like I'll keep this as default, and just begin installation. And then you will see the screen, this one, like it's currently booting, and just press enter here to boot Ubuntu, and like it will show this screen. And just focus on the machine and press ESC button or Alt plus tab maybe. Okay, no, nothing. That was like working for me before, but I don't know what happened. So yes, Alt plus tab, it worked. Like it will show you the logs, what's happening, etc. It will take some time to boot because it's a VM obviously, and it also depends on what are your resources. For example, I have less RAM currently, it's like I gave only 4 GB RAM to it. Like if you give more resources, the VM will work more faster. Obviously it's okay. So like it's booted now. It will show the screen. Then basically it's like installing Ubuntu normally. Main things were just installing QEMU, KVM, etc. So okay, I'll just click install now here. Install Ubuntu. It will take some time here because currently on less resources, so yes. And then continue. Then I'll just pick minimal installation for now. I mean, it will take less time though. Otherwise you can choose just normal installation. I'll just use it because less bloat and like it will take less time also while installing. And I'm just showing also. So here just click erase disk and install, and install now, and you will then have to like just click continue here. Then you have to like select your time zone etc. and fill up your login details and username etc. after this. Here we have to just select our time zone now. I guess it's loading, or the VM hung again. Okay, what I'll do is just post some screenshots instead of this recording, and then I'll just add it in the video. So stopping the recording for now. Then just select your time zone, like it will automatically select using network. Then here add your username, PC name and whatever name etc. password. Then I have like added mine here, and click continue, and it will start installing like this. Okay, so our installation is completed now, and just click restart now, and it will restart the VM. And now it's showing all the logs etc. Just ignore these, and here just it will say please remove the installation medium. You just press enter, you don't do anything, then it will restart automatically. Here now it's restarting. It will do automatically itself everything, so you don't have to do anything for now. Here it is saying loading. It will take little time, but it's very fast. Like currently I'll show you, it will be little slow due to I'm screen recording, so my system will be high on resources, and then obviously my machine will lag. So yes, okay, it's loading for now. Okay, here you can see my login screen has come, GDM, GNOME Display Manager. So just log in here. It uses GNOME 40 for now, the latest one. Like they added GNOME 40 only in this 21.10 release only. And here we are on the main desktop screen. Now talking about this resolution, like it's very small. What you have to do is you have to just click view, scale display, and you have to click auto resize VM with window. Just checkbox, just enable this feature, and after you click this, it will automatically just do everything itself. And now I can go full screen. Here just click this one, and here it should change the resolution though. Wait, view, scale display, wait a second, going full screen. Okay, full screen doesn't work. Maybe it will work when I restart the machine. I'll try later. So okay, I'll work with this one now. So I'll just click skip for now, then it's your wish. I'll click no. like why to give information, and just click next and done. Now our system is ready. Don't need to install VMware tools etc because this is not a VM. So here going to our settings, see this is purely GNOME 40 and little running slow because I'm screen recording also here OBS, so it takes more RAM and that will lag my PC a lot. So just go to the settings and in the about info, here we go with Ubuntu 21.10 on KVM with the host as Arch Linux, but you can use any host, any host like Fedora, and I'll give you the commands also how to install KVM in it, otherwise all the steps are same. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to join my Telegram channel for getting latest news on tech. Thanks a lot.